Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Shirley. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 tips that can help ESL adult learners learn English. As you know, I have a nonprofit organization where I help adult learners, immigrants that came to this country, learn English, be self-sufficient, independent, and be confident in their English speaking skills. So one of the first tips is having a safe and supportive environment. So you want an environment where they're not afraid to try. You also want to encourage them just trying, even if they didn't get it completely right. The fact that they tried, like acknowledging that effort and giving them good feedback, celebrating that they're even trying. Just celebrating that they're trying is always progress, and reassuring them that it will be okay, that they will grow. And reminding them of their progress. Sometimes they don't realize that, hey, when they first came into the class, they were at this level, and now look at them progressing now. So just having a safe and encouraging environment is going to be fundamental with having a successful ESL class when you're teaching English. Like, for example, I had one student, when she started, she was very shy and didn't like to be called on that much. You could see it on her face when I would call on her. And now it's to the point where she has showed her personality. She's making jokes. She's laughing with the students. I call on her often because she's actually one of my top students, and she does well. And because of making that environment a fun and an exciting environment, helped her to excel and to feel comfortable with trying and speaking up and participating more. Repetition is very important. Repeating it over and over again, that is what helps keep it in their memory. This is a new language. Anytime you're learning anything new, repetition is key with remembering and memorizing things. Yeah, for example, I spent so much time with perfecting their introductions and getting them comfortable with basic introduction questions, to the point where they're like, okay, we get it, no more. And it's like, no, because we did it so many times in class, now anyone that comes into you is like secondhand. Like, you respond quickly and you guys understand exactly what it's saying. There's not that little time frame where you have to process it in your mind of what is being said, because we did it so much. It's like secondhand nature. So repetition is key. It is a great foundation for them to understand and to learn and to grow and to be confident in their skills, because they've done it so many times. The third big tip I want to give is conversation practice. And now you guys are going to get a little piece of my secret sauce. You guys that are subscribed and watching this video right now, here is a nice, beautiful gem that I'm going to give to you guys for free. I don't even know if I should even be saying it right now. But one of the things that has helped me a lot with the class, with my ESL learners, and it's like my secret sauce that they love so much, is doing real life scenarios, real life role play. What do I mean by that? So when ordering from a restaurant, having maybe a menu, a real life menu from a restaurant so that they can order from. Another example is when we're talking about applying to jobs. First, we start that dialogue. Having a real life job application, explaining what each part of the job application means. And then second, going into the interview process, and then having a mock interview with them. And then also checking into a hotel, visiting the bank for the first time, or any like real life scenario, going to the doctor's office. They love that. They love it so much. Their faces light up. They are excited about that lesson because it's something that they can apply to their real day life. And that gives them more confidence with doing just simple things, and it helps them to become more independent. And now they have a structure of how the flow will go and what certain terms mean. So doing real life scenarios and situations is something that is big, that they love so much, and it helps them to want to learn English, and it motivates them because they're like, yes, I'm going to go visit the bank. I want to know what to say. Oh, I want to know what to say and what certain terms mean and what's going on in the bank. So that way it's not so much of where they're scared and it's like a foreign place. They understand, because not only are they trying to learn English, but they're also trying to learn the American systems. They're trying to learn the American way of how we do things here in this country. So those are my 3 big tips of what helps my ESL learners. If you have any other tips that you would like to share below, please drop them below. I will see you again for the next video.